At Baran Institute of Technology, a great education doesn't have to take a long time. Employers are always looking for qualified technical professionals. Why can't that be you? With training from Baran Institute of Technology, it can. Think about it. Quality education, personalized technical training, all designed with you in mind.
At Baran Institute, having this career is so much better than, I think, a normal job.
I looked at other schools, they just weren't right for me, not as much hands-on. Baran is a perfect school for me.
Founded in 1979, Baran Institute of Technology prides itself on its hands-on training approach. Students will be able to learn techniques on real projects, real machinery and equipment, so they can apply it out in the workforce. And Baran Institute of Technology is proud to announce they will be New England's largest private technical training facility with the addition of their new 300,000 square foot training center located in East Windsor, Connecticut. Now in its 25th year, Baran Institute of Technology will unveil their new flagship campus, which will include modern training facilities and convenient student housing.
Right after school, I had a job probably 2 days afterwards. I had an interview 2 days after, and I was hired on the spot.
In today's competitive automotive and technical market, employers are looking for people with the right skills. Today's job market also requires that you have the right training to succeed. The key is having the right skills, skills that can give you an edge over the competition. The right technical education can prepare you for a rewarding career doing something you enjoy, whether it's working on cars, diesel engines, heating, ventilation and air conditioning, or welding. From automotive to HVAC to welding and more, Baran's programs are designed to focus on the specific things you need to know for your new career. At Baran Institute of Technology, we'll get you further faster. Forget the 4+ years. Baran wants to get you out there and on your way to a rewarding career in 2 years or less. So welcome on board. We're glad you're here, and we hope you're geared up for your future.
My name is Joe Cortez, and I'm the shop manager at Travel Centers of America. We have a lot of people who went to Baran Institute who graduated from here. They've been with us some of them have been with us for many years. And the training they got from here was, advantageous to them getting the job. They probably wouldn't have been able to get it without the training they had here. Yes, I'd recommend Baran's Institute. I've employed many of their graduates, and I plan to do it again.
We know that your education is important to you, but we also know your time can be a factor. We work with our students to find the best possible class schedules to fit their needs. Baran is committed to helping our students receive the best education possible with hands-on training and instructors with real-life experience. Now let's take a quick look at some of the programs Baran Institute of Technology has to offer. Many Baran students admit they've always had a fascination for dismantling things and then finding out how to put them all back together. At Baran, we call it the art of tinkering. Instead of tinkering on your car, you could turn that skill into a career.
I chose auto body because I've always had a love for cars, mainly muscle cars. I want to work on old classics and restore them.
Former shop I worked at, Volkswagen, back down in Stanford. The guy I was learning from completely recommended this place, said that there's the best instructors in the country, best program in the country. Baran Institute allows me to be creative and follow my dreams. It'll give me a great career when I'm done.
Baran Institute of Technology's Auto Body Technician program leads you through all the aspects of the auto body industry, from mild to wild. Baran students will learn about the construction of vehicles and have the opportunity to disassemble and reassemble working vehicles. Auto body students are given the opportunity to work on and repair all types of live vehicles. Guided by the experts, you too can obtain the unbelievable. With training as an auto body technician, you can take your education to the extreme level.
Susan Pollock, I'm the owner of Blue Bar Imports. I think the basic background that they get here at Baran allows them to go out into the real world, as we'll call it, and have the basics and understand what it's like to see a dealership or work in a dealership in any field of being a technician.
Baran Institute of Technology prides itself on its hands-on approach to automotive technology. While others train on mock-ups and simulators, Baran students train on live problem vehicles for proven results that show in today's dealerships. Students know Baran is constantly fine-tuning and updating its automotive curricula and programs. As technology and repair techniques become increasingly sophisticated, so does the training at Baran Institute of Technology. From Audis to BMWs, Volvos to Volkswagens, students gain first-hand experience and the chance to demonstrate their newfound skills. As long as there are cars on the road, qualified automotive technicians will be in demand.
But with automotive at Baran, they just make it more interesting for me. Like the teachers I've had so far, really good at explaining everything so thorough. Baran Institute is definitely the place that you want to come just if you want to work on any make or model. They present all makes and models for you so you can work in any dealership you want.
Are you ready to work on the big rigs? Baran Institute of Technology's Diesel Technician program leaves no drive shaft unturned. Baran students are involved in all aspects of the diesel industry, from hydraulics to major overhauls on today's leaders like Cummins, Mack, Detroit, and Cat. In the diesel industry, bigger is better. So put your hands and mind to work in one of the largest growing industries.
Here at Baran, we get doing the extended program where I get to take my CDL, which is commercial driver's license, and at the same time, I get to work on the vehicles I'm going to be driving when I get out of school.
The main thing that impressed me about the school was that while in school I was going to be getting 1 year of the ASE certification towards my 2 years of apprentice that you need to get your plaques and patches and whatnot when you pass the tests.
Get fired up for a future in heating, ventilation, and air conditioning at Baran. Baran's HVAC graduates can go on to a variety of employment opportunities working for local companies or national chains. Baran students will gain necessary hands-on training in both residential and commercial HVAC equipment. Thousands of Baran students have gained the knowledge and the skills needed to be successful in the heating, ventilation, and air conditioning arena. Remember, climate control can be a hot field if you have the right training.
Came to Baran Institute back in 1996. Did a 12-month program here. It's a great school. After graduating from Baran Institute, it led me into a very successful field, into the HVAC industry. It's a very busy industry. You're always going to have a job.
From skyscrapers to automobiles, ships to pipelines, none of them would be possible without welders. Do you want to work on a satellite launch pad? How about a submarine? There are countless opportunities out there for Baran welding technicians. With an average of 20 students or less per class, welding technician program graduates will be qualified as entry-level welders and fabricators who work in general fabrication, shipbuilding, pipeline welding, the aircraft industry, maintenance, and even welding product representatives. Build a career and expand your horizons as a welding technician.
I want to be a welder. It's a good field to look into. It's different. You go into a different job site every day. You know, you're not doing the same stuff.
My teachers are good. They give me the attention I need, and if I ask for help, they help me with it.
Out in the shop, it's all hands-on. We teach everything from torch cutting, gas welding, brazing, stick welding, TIG welding, all different materials. It's a great course. Teach kids a lot about welding in a 1 year period. They can go out and get a job anywhere.
Auto body, automotive, HVAC, welding. All highly skilled technical fields for you to choose from, all with unlimited career possibilities. Find what's right for you. It's time to realize your dream and make it come true at Baran Institute of Technology.
My son's going here, so if I take my own blood and send him here, I would definitely recommend Baran Institute.
They have the basic technical knowledge. They have the basic hands-on knowledge.
I think Baran fine-tunes them and makes them better.
If you want it bad enough, you'll get it, and Baran can give it to you.
Let Baran help you prepare for success. Soon you'll have the training that can put you in demand. The right education is all it takes to realize how many opportunities are waiting for you. It's your future. Make the most of it with the education you need to succeed from Baran Institute of Technology. At Baran, affordability, high-quality education, and personal attention put you to work. Baran Institute of Technology. Your success is our business.